n0w MPP babagana abaso oyo mangweni watu gana wa MPP babagana babaso
Ghana. Hey, Jomama. Oyo mambofu papa.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ediba Ghana nsem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so bit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje so. Who text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Ghana and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Mahama president. Now also the upper about be also Selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Mahama the book at Neze Ibu idie. Ya me any amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Mahama ni amade na sase bebe few. Na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye daachinti ne ya manyo se menye mprimprint ne ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se nti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have my opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I did be a home bachelor.
n0w MPP babagana abaso oyo mangweni watu gana wa MPP babagana babaso
Ghana. Hey, Jomama. Oyo mambofu papa mukwa monka nchire no. Wa buru yensu papa. Hey. Samika sanso beti. Obati pa Jomama. Oyo wudini ankasa. Ah, she koko yi ayeye. Ansa na ubedo koko. Bibien pon ye bufu se. Odi pay ka koko no. Ehuhu ebe wiwo no. Enkran ebe wiwo no. Entati ebe wiwo no. Emu sasi ebe hyew. Ufi habe me ba ube twere wo ho saa. Ah, na mama, eda na wo ye. Mon kanche mama pa se. In fact, why ye ate.
Abanyo otisui. Opese koko na ewo 25,800 no. Opese otan tisu biom. Na se eyampa dia etisa dia. Ghana ekuafo yebetu ndepi kokko pa e dia che ndisi aban. Ena ne ekuafo.
Je hem wo ma wotwe. Mama awotwe. Na odo akufado ne ta amena mu na emba wotwe wo hwe mpo onya ya. Anu ama emanhwa no enu onya ya. Enkaka na nda yebodu Mahama na benri menua. Sensu so kada oburu wa kada nsu na oburu man kro pampamo. Amanya mi hu no enka atawei enka ono nka be firi ha. Hwemubutu asap ense mimi ka cha Mahama ana atofo se da wote enye do amawase wa wo man okura no omomadi anfa na nado ni 31 no onfa mreye ni anfa bi hwe yamba
na emra na nado etutu kokoo mu na kokoo no bu ye den no menye ayidado bi de masan maje ekwai bebre ka ho anokwasem ni metu inyankofu bebre fo de womra na yenye kuadwuma osande wobotum wagina kuadwuma no do na wopade wabrabo etu mpon a etu anokwasem ni Mahama obakade orotu kokoo mu akọ 2008 6,500 another 7,000 yɛnyinaa yɛpɛsikanti yɛbɔse na anokwa megyina ha mewura ho dama so na mimda wɔn nso so wura ho osande reyɛ koko adwuma na ɛdakɔ enyim nti media mo ha ma anto President Mahama de wadi yɛhwɛmɔ Ghana youth yɛde yɛro ho hyɛ koko adwuma no mu wadi yɛhwɛmɔ
Tidama papa beke amso damara mba awotwe Nanado atawruma of the free SHS aba otabohen enti eye afiyara wo bi school na mofamba na oboko school no enyima ma bofra ko we school wo edwuma ko ma do bebi amam so mo kohen menye sika toto nenza meyi nara na wake sika kakra me brother ko ha ya samema kokoko krate honorable
Get that he's no longer campaigning and he's no longer allowed to visit violence on people, which is his forte. That's all he knows. Visit violence on people, ride motorbikes around in a horrendous manner, in an indisciplined manner, and visit mayhem on people. That's all he knows. We don't know why President Mahama has foisted this guy on us. He's at YEA. He's not doing... Yesterday, he went on his social media page. Instead of telling us what is happening at YEA to encourage the young people that YEA is working, this is what he wrote. YEA boss, look at what he wrote. That man called H.E. John Dramani Mahama, talk and do. What would Ghanaians have been without you? We are grateful, sir. The unborn generation is grateful. Oh, where is the thing he said the thing was used for, the plane was used for restaurants and Mahama has revived it? That's what I'm looking for. He said here that, he's talking about the plane anyway. He said there's a new Air Ghana. So yesterday there was a report that Air Ghana is a company that has acquired a new plane for cargo purposes. Now, Malik Basintali comes on social media and thinks that the Air Ghana that is being talked about is the new Ghana Airways that President Mahama promised. I mean, viewers, can you imagine that? A chief executive of YE. He's so clueless, completely clueless. He doesn't understand anything. And he won't learn anything. Nobody has understanding from your mother's womb. We all learn. You can learn. There's no problem with that. People have been ministers at age 29. John Ajekunko, for whom they don't respect, he was deputy minister at age 29. He learned. So you can learn. There's nothing wrong with learning. But this guy will not even learn. Put his photograph there. Please get me that, the post there, the other one. This guy will not even learn. He's so arrogant. He will not learn. And he exposes his ignorance every day to embarrass the government and the party. All the time. He's exposing his ignorance every day. Please give me his photograph. He's embarrassing the government every day.
My main trail small video be back to back on the way they are insulting this man.
In 2024, Pastor Ojo was in his church when the lights went off and he made a statement saying Ghana was sick and was trying to even refer us to Holland. Say, in Holland, lights don't go off, and because of that, the country was sick. But that time, he couldn't initiate anything. Say, we should pray and stop making noise. But in 2026, this same Pastor Ojo is now here to tell us that lights not econo. We are supposed to keep quiet, not to talk about it, and pray for the country. And in 2024, near Bompayana Enyana. But wait, dear Wuyi, do you want to be treated as an NDC member, that's a politician, or you want to be treated as a pastor? Dear Wuyi, obi kwa kasa si ya ebe kase, wakase etse na mini pa ya de ngo asra no, yedi nentwibini na asra ya on.
Utiri kwa se kura pastor oduro kwa siam panyini. Wo NDC fo mu wan wo opposition na ukanya nsasam. Bon, enti abanisia NDC mu aiba ya wadana boa. Wunim no kure na ukan kwa siasam Ghana ni no watua ni sika, otua yi labia no, di labia no pa bia. Autopetro anopa, we are autopetro, and you know autopetro. What do you say? Obviously, Kevin Taylor said he would deport you before wake up. Nina and Kwasiasa now catch us every 1 minute to be a school bus in Amisha Bruni. The system is working 24/7. Kevin Taylor also me Ojimia, Memeni Abruachada, and so Jimmy Amakofan here, Bruni Abruana Kudino. I'm telling you the fact. Oslomi, on to make a massive Nintiasa, Kamamobia, Koni Sika Kundada. And I say I'm a Udi for my mom, Miss Canoma to make about Coco, meaning baby or Virginia. Bruce Clergy, I say, I've been Washington, D.C. Washington State. No, my mom, I second simple, no be jubilate. You are more, and this phone was your phone, but no mushroom. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may be a cocono.
Well, what is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar. Any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jina so. Anyone sign your money in our form. It is just so for to start this question. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. He did not ask out of ignorance.
He asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say me say man kasa me tell on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying, and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay, so me can say. Asam na oka no. Enkyere se enema bo enkosu.
But the
tie je oka no want o de o mapane kan say was it a body was it a penny say was it pure water a costro and I mean say inflation ya ba for ma and can the rate at which things will be increase you know the empanifo na omunimum nguma na e say commission akache and say and ka be cost like say ka bia it has so don train na e bia nka inflation no and ka bia nya 3 cities ne ka be ka ho say na omo ka say the rate at which things will be increase no e be ba for what you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, Omaka, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, a buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say p0ple about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko e fe say a port wa ne man no from kaka nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no e ba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa mai no omoko fa ne man ba omo tete so na abanu kreti another environment but say individual na tete ne ma so aban ketimi petro ensi ni so
is right obisa me no we
so at the end of
what you say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no yen de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no
but this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Effutu as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Clergy, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?